Hello everyone, today I'll show you how I personally use Father Sniper, one of the most powerful tools for Memecoin trading. Let's start with the network selection. Here, you can select one or several blockchain networks to work with simultaneously. This flexibility is critical when you're tracking multiple opportunities across chains. Once selected, simply connect wallet to link your existing wallets. If you don't have a wallet yet, no problem. You can easily create one by clicking Generate Wallet. All wallets, whether connected or generated, will be displayed under My Wallets. You'll see the balance for each one and your total assets. And if you need to, you can view the private key by selecting a wallet. Everything you need is organized in one place. Next, let's go over the buy settings. Here, you can configure your risk management before entering any trades. Anti-scam protects you by detecting malicious transactions before they are executed. Auto buy allows the bot to automatically purchase tokens under your predefined rules. Anti-MEV bot helps protect against sandwich attacks by routing transactions through private validators. You also define min-MC, max-MC to control which market caps you're willing to engage with. Max liquidity to ensure you're trading tokens with sufficient liquidity. Max buy, sell tax to automatically block high-tax contracts. Gas price to set the transaction speed and cost you're comfortable with. It's all about putting the odds in your favor before you even enter the market. In the sell settings, you have powerful tools to manage exits intelligently. Confirm sell requires confirmation before selling everything, helping prevent mistakes. Auto sell executes your exit strategy based on set conditions. Take profit percent lets the bot lock in your gains at the target you choose. Stop loss percent ensures your losses are capped if the market turns against you. You can go even deeper with a trailing stop loss, allowing your stop loss to move upward as the token price grows, protecting your profits without selling too early. Additionally, you control exactly how much of your tokens are sold to take profit or stop loss triggers, thanks to TP sell percentage and SL sell percentage settings. Moving on to general settings. Here, you can enable notifications to stay instantly informed about every action the bot takes. You can also select your preferred application language to make the experience smoother. When you're ready, simply press Start to activate the Sniper bot. If you ever need to exit fast, the Sell All button liquidates everything across your wallets immediately. And in the console, you'll find detailed real-time logs for every transaction, a full, transparent trading history. To try it yourself, you can access Father Sniper free for 24 hours via the official Telegram bot. Or if you're serious about your trading, you can purchase a monthly license for $799. In this market, the right tools make all the difference.